Hey Stampers, it's Brandy here. It is almost time to get registered for our spring Creativate Retreat. Oh, I love our Creativate Retreats and I love you, our Creativate community. We have so much fun gathering virtually for this online stamping retreat. Now, save the dates. The dates are April 25th and 26th. We start on a Friday night and then we craft all day on Saturday. So we have lots of fun projects planned for you. Everything from 3D projects to fun folds to techniques, just everything across the gamut. We just have a lot of fun. Our hope is to inspire you to pull out your paper, ink, and stamps and get crafting and make some cards, and we want you to send those cards. So we'd love to come to you with the ideas and the inspiration, and then we love to see what you do with those cards. It is amazing. We have a Facebook group where it's a private Facebook group only for our Spring Creativate Retreat attendees, where you can go and not only can you post and share your idea and inspire others, but you can see all of the other cards that the other attendees have posted. Our hope is that you make some friends along the way, enjoy the community and all of the inspiration. Hundreds of cards are shared there. It is amazing. I love to go back and check it out too. Now, we also have our pre-retreat challenges. So the pre-retreat challenges, they start 4 weeks prior to the retreat. The idea is you can dust off your stamps and you can kind of get warmed up and ready to go. We give you a challenge each Monday leading up to the event. And I have got a challenge that I recently did that I'm excited to show you as well. Now, early bird registration opens on March 28th. If you join or you register March 28th, 29th, or the 30th, you have 3 days, you're going to get an extra 4 additional fun fold tutorials. So that's just more fun, right? And more ideas to kind of hold you off until the event, until we can share all of those wonderful projects with you. So one of the things that I love about our Creativate Retreat is we do backup videos. You get all the PDF tutorials and we have backup videos provided in the event that something should happen, or we need to play a video because the internet went out. You just never know, right? So you have the option of watching the backup video. And of course, if you want to join the retreat, we welcome our friends, our demonstrator friends, customers, family members, team members, anybody who would like to join the retreat. We'd love to have you join us. Just a wonderful community of like-minded crafters who are, yes, we'll raise our right hand and say we're addicted to stamping and scrapbooking and paper crafting, right? So it's just a lot of fun and a wonderful community. If you can't join us live during the event, that's okay. You can watch it at your leisure. You'll have a link to a private web page where you can go there and you can see any updates. You can download your tutorials. You can watch backup videos or the current lives or whatever it might be. And of course, we do have some prize winners as well. So those are also posted there, and everybody who registers for the retreat is in for the prize drawing as well. So I'm going to show you a few of the projects, and just to remind you, these are projects from a previous Creativate Retreat. So let's start with a couple fun folds. So I'm going to show you one of the fun folds. And so this one would have been an early bird registration fun fold. And so this is one of mine. And so you can kind of see here it folds out, just really, really fun. I'll be thinking of you this season. So just really cute, kind of sits up that way. And then of course we always finish an envelope as well. So you have a beautiful piece of stationery. So once you register and you've gone through early bird registration and you've received your 4 additional fun fold tutorials, well, now it's challenge time. So my challenge was using only white cardstock. So what I had, my challenge was take your white cardstock and layer it up. You can layer different white layers and then stamp on it. You can color your images and so forth. So let me show you the inside. I actually have two pieces here for photography purposes, but this is the inside of my card. You can see I've also layered it up here. Remember layering that white cardstock. And then I did a couple different envelopes to show the attendees a couple of different options. Now, not only is there one example of that fun challenge, but I have 3 of them, and each Creativate leader also has an example to share as well. We enjoy doing each other's challenge cards too, so you get a take on some more ideas. Oh, look at that envelope. I want to show you that first. Isn't that adorable? All right, here is another one. Again, still white. Oh yeah, super, super fun. And then of course, you've got your coordinating envelope. Then we get into some projects. So I've got a couple of projects here. So this one is really fun. This one was from the, I think this was from the fall retreat, sending thanks and much love. Oh wow, look at that. Is that not awesome or what? So look how pretty that is. And it's just a really neat fun fold that you can do, and you can layer up your different images. So that is one of them. This is another favorite that I created for the retreat. You're absolutely amazing. And those butterflies, they are amazing. But check this out. When you open it, and I know you're not going to be able to see it, but we have a butterfly on the inside that's just hanging. So when the card is sitting straight, you can see that there is a floating butterfly. So just really fun. And then of course, we finish it with, gotta get my butterfly back in there. We finish it with a coordinating envelope. And then of course, I wanted to show you a recent technique. So check out that technique. Yes, super fun. So these are the fun things that we like to share at the Creativate online stamping retreat. So I hope that you enjoyed those projects. They are so much fun. We enjoy creating for you, and we so appreciate it. If you've joined us for a Creativate retreat, I would be so grateful if you would put it in the comments. Let others know how much fun you had. It's been almost, gosh, we've been doing the retreat for 5 years. We're in year 5. And we just love it, and we hear from you that you love it too. So we're just so grateful to be a part of our Creativate community and craft with you for the event. So I hope that you get registered. Remember, March 28th is early bird registration opens. And then of course, the event is April 25th and 26th. I would love if you would register with me at brandyscards.com/creativate. Each Creativate leader does have their own registration link, their own unique link. And I would love for you to join as a guest of Brandy's Cards. So look for my registration link at brandyscards.com/creativate. Thank you for joining me. Bye now.